Sicilian, welcome back to the most happening corner of BNI universe, Sicilian TV. This is where you get your weekly dose of update milestone stories straight from BNI Ahmedabad. Hi, I am Priyank Desai from BNI Prometheus and buckle up everyone because we got lot to celebrate today. Let's kick things off with Networker of the Month. For November, hats off to Hiral Dave from BNI Athena who brought in 6 visitors. And a big shout out to Sanket Gandhi from BNI Hercules, who topped the chart with 5.87 crores in TYFCB. And Hiral wasn't done yet. She stepped it up in December with 7 visitors. Plus, Amit Chopra from BNI Maximus rocked the December with outstanding 9.16 crore in closed business. Wow! Talk about setting the stage for success. Next up is an inspiring story from Niket Mistry of BNI Plutus. It's all started with introduction at Plutus Business League last year, and after a month of persistence, boom! Niket closed a 3.5 lakh project for co-working space and massive 29 lakh project for pharma clients. That's the kind of growth we love to hear. Niket's story is proof that hard work and referrals really do pay off. Congratulations Niket, keep building those connections. Time to spotlight CMIS round winners. Here are the chapters that grabbed the runner-up spots. 4th round, first runner-up BNI Hercules. Second runner-up BNI Roxanne. 5th round, first runner-up BNI Poseidon. Second runner-up BNI Olympus. 6th round, first runner-up BNI Picasso and second runner-up BNI Lincoln. Incredible performance from all the chapters. These wins reflect teamwork, energy and pure Sicilian spirit. Let's keep the competition alive. On some exciting news from new member gala. A warm welcome to 40 new members who attended the training. The session was expertly hosted by Senior Support Director Consultant Abhay Aksnani and Senior Launch Director Consultant Mansi Kansara. We can't wait to see our new members grow, thrive and make their mark in BNI. Welcome to family. Here is chapter story to celebrate. BNI AGS has officially launched as 57th chapter in Ahmedabad. And they did it with style. 25 visitors, high energy and platinum launch. Cheers to launch team. Hitendra Panchani, Romil Shah and Nilesh Sitlani. And the entire support crew. With this momentum, AGS is already on fast track of success. Now let's talk Maximus because this chapter just hit an enormous milestone. 1,000 crore in closed business. That's right, 1,000 crore. 1,000 crore and Maximus didn't stop there. They also celebrated their 10-year legacy in Maximus style. A special shout out to Yash Vasant sir and Snehal Patel for joining the celebration. And finally, let's hear it from BNI Hercules. They made history with their second international one-to-one conclave with BNI Tanzania. It was a day of business, synergy and global connection. From breakout room networking to insightful edu slot and exim business, this event had it all. Kudos to Hercules team for setting new standard for global connection.
And now, let's look at our Eds book recommendation, a monthly highlight to inspire and empower your journey in business and beyond.
Well, that's a wrap on today's bulletin, but before we go, a quick shout out to Sicilian Games, which are already in full swing. The energy, excitement and competitive spirit are truly off the chart, with Sicilian giving it their all. From thrilling competition to epic teamwork, Sicilian Games are proving to be an unforgettable experience. Keep the momentum going, Sicilians. This is your time to shine. Stay tuned for more updates, highlights and of course, the big winners. Until then, keep playing, keep competing, and keep the spirit alive. See you all at the games. Let's make this season legendary. And yes, don't forget to subscribe Sicilian TV. I'll catch you in next bulletin. Till then, tata, bye bye.